videos. 2024. Bro, you gonna steal her package?
That bitch should have been there to grab it.
What's crazy is he stole a package while his kid is in a fucking stroller. What a fucking a cart, a grocery cart.
Oh, he's a fucking menace, bro.
Or is that his girlfriend? Sound like kid.
Or is it his girlfriend, bro?
I don't know. It sounds like a fucking kid.
Maybe it's his kid. Maybe it's a...
You are now watching Doorbell News.
Who the hell are you?
Come on now. Shush you. Come here. Shush you. Shush you. Shush you. Suck my dick. Just you. Come here. Come outside. Open the door. Get upstairs. Open the door. Open the door. Open the door. Go.
What the fuck? Open up the door, dog. You want to play baseball? Hey. You guys are looking a little suspicious. What are y'all doing? Yeah, look at this guy. This gotta be Florida, right? Are those palm trees? What the fuck? What's going on? You do it sexually. Did I hear that right? Oh, shooting on McKinley Street. That's a shots fire, bro. Oh, this is in Arizona.
We're not interested. Have a great day.
Yeah. Papi, what happened? Yo!
Hey, this don't look like no doorbell video. What is this?
Get off me before he's swing on you. Yo, Papi, what happened? Yo, Papi,
What's up?
Papi.
Hello, what's up?
Papi.
Hold on, whose phone is that? This your phone? This is my shit now.
Yo.
Relax, tough guy. Los Angeles. Ugly ass dude.
Leave me alone. Dude, leave me the fuck alone.
Knock on the door. Do it.
Leave me alone.
Knock on it. Knock on it.
Leave me
Knock
alone.
on
Leave me alone. Leave me the fuck alone.
Disrespect me.
Stop this shit.
Disrespect
Leave me
again.
alone.
Disrespect me
You're
again.
disrespecting. See what I mean?
Oh shit!
You know, you're a fuck.
Get up and fight!
You just knocked my fucking tooth out, you motherfucker.
Knock the tooth out, bro.
Knock my tooth out.
I don't give a fuck.
You're gonna, bitch.
Oh, yeah, you gonna bitch.
Yeah. So I didn't have to go and get her. Watch out, Bean. Come on.
Who the? Okay. Normal person. Normal person. Maybe. The fuck was that? What's going on over here? Dude trying to get in his house. But he looked like he's trying to attend a sleepover. Couldn't get in. Maybe at the wrong house. The fuck is this? This ain't no doorbell. This is dash cam. Oh!
They got it mixed up.
Oh! Well, that didn't work. I'd be pissed, bro. Like, imagine getting takedown right there. You have no movement at all. She's just laying on top of you. Like, get me the fuck up, bro. Get me the fuck up. Especially in a tight space like that. I'm throwing haymakers. This happened yesterday.
Can I help you? Can I help you?
Oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I just live in the neighborhood. I was taking.
Well,
I'll
don't
leave the property
trespass.
now.
That's called trespassing.
I think he knows what trespassing
I'm
means, my
sorry.
guy.
I'm leaving now.
Maybe. Oh shit! More people fighting. Hey, that's domestic violence. That's a white girl. You get put in jail for that. Oh my god, they're dragging her. Oh shit. Oh my god. And that's how you get sex trafficked right there. Why are you running up to a random ass car? And there was like 3 deep. Oh, what? Did he just hit somebody? What the? Bro, no way. Oh! Hit and run? What the fuck is that? You want to steal that big ass package? Yeah, porch pirate. What's going on here? They breaking in with a fucking power drill? Honolulu, Hawaii? Like, dude was trying to drill in that bitch. Oh god, what is he gonna do? Oh my god, he about to whip out his dick. Bro, put it away. Oh wait, no. What a dickhead. Man got dookie stains in his underwear. Crazy. What he need to do is rob a pair of underwear off somebody. Car break-in April 13th. What? Holy shit. Dude, I ain't gonna lie, bro. Living in the hood is awesome sometimes.
What is going on?
You see shit like this. It's all entertainment. I seen a crackhead get punched on by a drug dealer everywhere I stay at. It's hilarious. But he's like, I just want some. He's like, get the fuck out of here. Get the fuck out. Damn, G, okay. Wait, this is the same place. Brody.
The fuck out of here. Yeah, I fucking caught you, stupid ass. Fuck out of here.
Whoa.
Who the fuck you yapping at?
You on my fucking door again.
What happened?
You heard me.
Ooh.
The fuck out of here, that's what I said.
Who is it?
He was right here reaching in here and he was trying to open that car door right now.
Watch out.
Don't go all the way up here, get to here.
Who is it?
He's covered up, he's wearing a fucking black hoodie and walking around with bags all over him.
What's a porch pirate? Oh, bro, don't steal a bicycle, bro. Yeah, get your ass out of here, bro. What? How you gonna be mad because it's not the package you wanted? You gonna toss your shit like that?
Motherfucker. You better hide your fucking dog. If not, I'm going to kill you, fucking dirty bitch. I will, bitch.
I'm sure they got their wrong apartment, but they are mean. What happened about a dog translate for us because we're not mad. Nothing in the package was freaking or could break. You a thought. At robbery. Looks like they got a whole squad. A 4-man. They got a 4-man. Squatted up. About to break in that bitch. Oh my god. Is that Adam? Adam, get away!
You think you're funny.
Meanwhile, in the Bronx. Yeah, she tripping. She's high on the mushrooms. Meanwhile, in Philadelphia. Is that a knife? Yo. What's he gonna do with that?
I can't answer the door right now, but if you'd like to leave a message, you can do it now.
Damn. Pretty sure didn't, because if they would have came out, he probably would have stabbed them. Low key. Lucky for them. Fuck. Big buddy, go home. People got balls, bro. Cause I'd be too scared someone has a gun. Oh, this man walking around with bare feet. Yeah, he's up to no good.
Bro, maybe he just lost his shoes.
Oh, it's a homeless man. I apologize. I feel bad now.
Good, you should.
Brother. Is that a fucking jackhammer? He got a Jackie. Yo, I really didn't think this through. At least some of the at least got in, right? They taking so much time. Oh God. Especially a knife, bro. Like, you gonna go rob somebody with a knife?
That's all they got, bro. You gotta try to make some type of quick come up.
Like these motherfuckers? Look at them. Bro, this is a fucking hospital. I think. It says we accept
Try and get them.
something.
They try and get them Percocets.
This dude sitting by the car. That would be me.
Doorbell News Crime Watch.
Somebody pull
Coming
up,
to a
bro.
neighborhood near you.
I'm leaving everybody.
Make sure you
I ain't gonna lie.
He said I'm out.